Now, you may have been told to take protein when you get done working out. I'm here to tell you that the post-workout protein window is a myth. Protein's important, but really the total amount of protein you're getting in 24 hours is what counts. What's best for muscle recovery immediately following training is gonna be the things you lost during training and you didn't lose protein. When it comes to post-workout nutrition, what you want to focus on is two things. Number one, replace what you lost during the workout. Number two, how much can we spike your muscle protein synthesis, because that is going to determine how much protein your body can break down into amino acids and then rebuild those muscle tissues that you broke down during your workout. With ReBuild, we started with fast-acting carbohydrates. Carbohydrates from cluster dextrin and dextrose to quickly replenish those glycogen stores that you depleted while you're working out. When you get this spike in blood sugars, those insulin mimickers help quickly drive the sugars, glycogen, back into the muscle cells so you replenish those energy levels. And with that, you're gonna take nutrients. These act as a catalyst to take nutrients that you lost, like electrolytes, creatine, antioxidants, and stuff those back in the muscle cells. So now we have this anabolic environment where we not only replenish the energy, we're putting nutrients that are gonna help rebuild muscle tissue. Another major component of ReBuild is this large 8-gram serving of essential amino acids. Essential meaning your body has to get them from a dietary source, and these are the amino acids that are necessary to help reconstruct muscle tissue. These free-form amino acids inside of ReBuild help spike your protein synthesis, that signal that tells your body to use amino acids as construction material to rebuild and repair muscle tissue. These nutrients combined in ReBuild are the perfect post-workout nutrition source to help you decrease your soreness, increase muscle building, and quickly replenish all the things you lost: glycogen, electrolytes, creatines, right after you work out, so you get back to life faster, you feel better, or you're less sore, and it puts you in an anabolic state moving forward after that workout.